Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone. This is Seb's equipment from Missouri, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now we will be converting this unit, and we want to go through a little bit about what needs to be done. The original PC board that's in this unit, we're going to reconfigure that PC board so that we can utilize the volume control button at the top of the payphone. So we want to be able to utilize that amplification, and we're going to go ahead and repair the main PC board to this unit and then configure it to work the way we want it to work. We also need to go into the handset and remove the caps for the transmit and the receive. That way, if there's any future needed repairs or we need to replace the transmitter or the receiver capsule, we'll be able to do that. They epoxy the caps on the handset from the factory so that it can't be tampered with. We also want to troubleshoot the handset security cord. We want to make sure that that's usable. If not, the security cable will need to be replaced. The vault door lock has been removed in the past by someone, and the vault door is missing. So we will need to locate a vault door, and we're not going to replace the vault lock because you will need a T key to get into the vault area. So we're just going to use a T key. The front cover still has a lock, and that needs to be removed. And then we need to locate a T key so that Seb will have a T key for the front cover and the vault door. So we will not be replacing the locks. There will be a T key for your final stage in, and you're not going to get into the payphone without a T key. So there's no need to replace the locks for the cover or the vault door. We also want to install a modular line port so that Seb can simply bring in any length line cord, any color that he chooses, plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. We also want to troubleshoot the keypad. We want to make sure that the keypad is working and dialing all of the numbers, so we'll take care of any of those issues. This unit does have an original bell on the original circuit board, but we want to go ahead and troubleshoot that bell and set the bell up for the most action when it's ringing. So we want to take care of any of those issues. We also want to take a look at the coin validator. We want to make sure that all of the coins are falling through the coin validator, and we're going to direct the coins into the coin return because Seb is not going to really be putting any change or money through this unit, and if someone happens to do that, they will go right into the coin return. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool single slot payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, converting, and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool single slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio of a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. That's on the normal setting. We're going to hit the loud control for the volume. And then we'll go one more time. So there's a normal volume control, and then there's two more settings. There's a medium and a high. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive, and our volume control at the top of the payphone is working. We can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. We'll turn our volume up. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, August 4th. The current time, 1:58 p.m. and the temperature, 79 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Turn our volume up. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool single slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Seb and he can enjoy this really cool payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.